Have you been hearing what about computer use in AI? I have. It can be quite powerful. There is 3 or 4 ways you can access it. One way is through codex. Another way is codex for CLI. Same with quad and quad code, and there's actually quite a few from quad. So take a look at those because there's a few of them, and I have been using codex on my desktop. And one thing that I have done is I started to create a vault for Debian, which is more or less a second brain for my nodes and so on. So I have more or less seen someone make a system for themselves and they're sharing that with public. So I watched their video, I grabbed their instructions for the agents. And what I did is copy their instructions, paste it in the codex, saying, "This is a new file. Can you make it for me?" And all I did is say, "This is a new file," and pasted that in the instructions into the chat, and it's equated the MD file or Markdown file without any other instructions from me. So it can be very powerful. It can be very useful as far as you want to just capture ideas. And from that video system that I saw is it can create and connect ideas that you may not have thought of in your data. And one of the ideas in this video I saw is you can capture your ideas from here, or you can capture other people's ideas and integrate it into one, so you have a knowledge graph, or what I think it would be called is a vector database. Get me if I'm wrong with this, but once you build up enough, you can find connections in your nodes that you may not have realized. Going back to what I said in previous videos. So give that a try, but be forewarned, it can be very powerful, but with power, there's great danger. So be aware of what it can and cannot do to your computer. I would suggest at least minimizing what your personal information is on your computer. Like take up any pictures that you don't want any AI to see, or any text documents, or any emails. So just be vigilant with what you expose to it. Anyway, thank you for watching this short. If you want to see more about my stuff, it's in the bio.